Hi, I'm Lisa Terrazas, and I'm going to be talking today about salt cedar water intake in New Mexico and the math involved with this. I would be giving this presentation out loud, but my throat's actually really sore and my voice is kind of hoarse, and we have the power of technology. The rest of you who do it this way are very intelligent people. My name is Lisa. So the salt cedar is up to 13 feet tall and can be up to 30 feet wide depending. It is a shrub of the species Tamarax. I won't go into the exact kind we have here in New Mexico. We have all species of Tamarax, but we'll just be discussing the salt cedar in whole. It gives off 17 seeds per square centimeter, and they have a 99 success survival rate. So there's a lot. The problem with salt cedar is they're invasive. They're not native to New Mexico, and they're causing a lot of problems. Each adult salt cedar can take up to 200 gallons of water today. So in just the little math I know about salt cedars, I can tell you that we already have over 1 million salt cedars in this state. So the water intake is actually greater than this number you see here. And that's a problem because these are actually contributing to the drought more than we think. And here is some eggs from the salt cedar beetle. So what we're doing about this salt cedar is, as you saw in the last picture, the eggs then convert to the larva, which then converts to the beetle. But this beetle was released, and we have 4 different types of this beetle. And the beetle is only going to be affecting salt cedars, no other plant. And most of them look like this that you'd see is real shiny green beetle. Really useful so far, and the beetles really are working. So the picture that you saw in the beginning is actually the same shrub here. We can go back, and you can see before the introduction of the beetle in the area, it was really vibrant and it really stands really strong. And you can tell just by the people standing that it's a really healthy plant. And this one is by the Elephant Butte Lake. So sometimes you see some a lot smaller, and that's because the ones that are near the water will obviously get the better end of it all. So here at NMSU, we're actually really studying this, and there's plenty of professors who know much more than I do, but this beetle is really contributing to a lot of success, and hopefully it'll eventually get rid of all salt cedars. You'll see most salt cedars look like this, but it's going to take years for that to happen because, as I said before, there's over 1 million salt cedar shrubs, and their success rate for growing is so high that it's actually really, really difficult to pinpoint when we will see these gone. It could be up to 30 years, maybe even longer. But one thing that they're also trying to incorporate is, instead of using just the beetle, they would also like to control these areas with herbicides. So you have a mixture of plant killers and then the beetle helping, and so that should help make them disappear faster, but there's no telling. And hopefully by sometime in our life we'll see our water will actually be for us, and the salt cedar will stop taking from us, because here in New Mexico we need all the water we can get. Well, that is my presentation, and here are my references. Let me move myself out of the way there. And thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.